4th of May. It is 7:30 in the morning. Just doing a quick end of day analysis for our session last night. Essentially, we had a bit of news which came in around this zone here. All of my trading was done on the British pound. If we zoom in, as we can see, it was a bearish trend all night. We didn't get any real mean reversion. The best trading was during the news, and so we missed out on that. Essentially, my thought process was that it was going to return over to this side. As we could see, it goes into the river and then hits the median, and then as it came back, I lined up with this area of demand and I layered in twice. It did start to profit, but I had my take profit set up at kind of this dip here and it didn't reach it and it kept coming down. And so from that point, essentially I layered in 3 more times so I could get the best possible price, and then because it had gone for so long, I really felt like the trade that I was trying to get, which was it up here, that had been broken, and so I just got out as quickly as possible, and for a negative $150, $200, that's a really good result. Not really much more to say other than it was very controlled. I was happy with the amount of trades that I was in. Previously, something that I've noticed was that I've been almost layering in too quickly, so that these entry trades have been so close together that I end up being, there's too much volume in the trade itself. And so by spreading it out, over a larger period, we're only at, 25 lots instead of, something crazy like 50 lots or something like that, where, we don't really want to be in that situation, because if it does run against us, that's, a lot of, that's a high probability for it to exit out on us for a large loss. So all in all, just a defensive trade. That was the only amount of trading I did. If we go to our cash flow record, we can see that there was 2 wins, 3 losses that kind of offset each other. The British pound was bearish and we used a defensive strategy, and we got out for 165 in the negative, and so this is kind of what we're looking at overall. And this is just brings us pretty much right to 14 grand, and so this is everything that I've done in MT5. Something that I was looking at last night is basically everything put together with MT4 and MT5 together. These are all the trades that I've done, and as we can see here, we have been able to go into profit, go into a deficit of around 11k, and now we have made our way back, and overall we're still in the profit. We're looking at 5.5 grand in the black, which is really good. So overall still very happy with everything. There is more news today in the London session, so that should be interesting to see how this goes. We'll check in later on today. Have a good one.